Let's kick things off with students, because AI is making studying easier, faster, and smarter. These 5 tools can help you ace assignments, organize your time, and even learn faster. 1. Notion AI. Notion AI helps students write essays, summarize lecture notes, and even brainstorm ideas. It integrates directly into Notion's powerful workspace, so you can keep everything, to-do lists, class notes, project plans, in one place, with AI help right inside. 2. ChatGPT. Ask it anything. Whether it's solving math problems, explaining complex concepts, or helping with writing tasks, ChatGPT is a 24/7 study buddy that never sleeps. 3. Grammarly, with AI writing features. Grammarly now includes AI suggestions that go beyond grammar. It can help rewrite paragraphs, generate new content ideas, and polish your writing instantly. 4. Quizlet AI-powered flashcards. Quizlet uses AI to generate flashcards from your study material. Great for exam prep, especially if you're a visual learner. 5. Speechify. Have a long article to read? Speechify turns written content into audio, so you can listen while you walk, cook, or commute. Great for auditory learners. These tools are powerful because they don't just save time, they help students understand more efficiently.